How are you doing today, guys? My name is Miguel Rojo with MBNA Realty in Sebring, and today's video is about the home buying process in Florida to ensure that you receive the clarity that you need. I want to preface this by telling you, if you are not familiar with the home buying process, I recommend that you reach out to a real estate professional in the area where you are planning to purchase your new home. So the initial consultation is where you will tell us everything about your dream home, from the size, the style, the location, the features, and most importantly, your budget. This is going to help us understand your vision and narrow down the search. If you have not yet been pre-approved, don't worry. We work with some amazing lenders that can work wonders. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is crucial. This process involves you sharing your financial details with a lender who assesses your credit worthiness. It's kind of like a golden ticket that tells you how much you can spend on your new home. Once you have that, it's time to explore. We're going to use all that information that we gathered in the initial consultation to filter through all the property listings to come up with a list of properties that best match your criteria, making it easier to find the perfect fit. Once you have a list of your favorite homes, it's time to schedule the showings. This gives you an opportunity to see the properties in person, to walk through the rooms, and to get a feel for the neighborhood. Once you found one that you really like, it's time to work together and create an offer. This involves proposing a purchase price, outlining the terms, and specifying any conditions. And then we will negotiate with the seller on your behalf to get you the best deal. Once the seller accepts the offer, now we're in the escrow phase. It's time to gather all the necessary documents and start moving forward with the transaction. Before we can finalize the deal, we have to arrange a professional home inspection, which will be a thorough checkup on your future home. We want to make sure that everything is in order and that everything is in good condition. While the inspection is happening, your lender is also working on ordering an appraisal to ensure that the home's value aligns with the loan amount. And you will also be working with your lender to finalize your financing. Once you have all that in order, it's time to start the closing process. And on the closing day is when all the pieces come together. It's the home stretch. An escrow company or an attorney will oversee this process. You'll sign the documents, make the required payments, and get ready to take possession of your new home. After the closing, you'll receive the keys to your new home. Congratulations, you're officially a homeowner. But there's still a little bit more you have to do before you can settle down, and that is to transfer your utilities, update your address, and make sure that everything is all set for a smooth transition. Even after the sale, we're not going anywhere. We're here to support you in any way that we can. If you have any questions or concerns, no matter how big or how small, just give us a call and we will assist you. Your happiness and satisfaction is our top priority. So if you have any other questions, or if you have any concerns or anything else real estate related, it's easy to get in touch. 863-270-2227. You can call me, text me, email me, leave a comment on this video. My name is Miguel Rojo with MBNA Realty, and let me contribute to your success.